In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build up a beat from scratch around a melodic, and we're also going to be practicing a little bit of guitar looping. The first thing I did was to drag in a melodic sample, which you'll hear just now, and then I also loaded a drum kit. So this was the original sample, but it's been pitched down. And here's the drum kit in step sequence mode. So I'm just going to start programming some steps. Now I'm going to use the timing correct and the arpeggio to add some hi-hats, like a note repeat. So now that I'm done there, I'm just going to go back to the matrix. I've just prepared my guitar for recording, and let's play along. As I tap a clip, it's going to start recording and then go into overdub mode. That clip's now going to keep looping around, so I select another clip, play a little bit more. I'm not trying to do anything too complicated, I'm just sort of listening to the melodic and just seeing where the guitar takes me. Just go into the mixer and just pull that down just a little bit.